welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be removing hair from my lip area, the sides of my lips. So I have fine hairs that grow in. Now, you know, if you follow my channel, you know that I've been doing laser hair removal, but I mean, as fine as these hairs are on the sides of my lips compared to the hairs that grow in sporadically, like here and here, I mean, I would think that the laser would work on these areas, but here it is. I'm still fighting the same battle. So I believe I'm done with the whole laser hair treatment removal unless I find someone that actually specializes in black skin. So I know that there are plenty in the Atlanta area, so I'll probably have to go to Atlanta, Georgia to get that done eventually. But right now I'm just over it. So today I picked up some Nair hair remover face cream. It says that it is for all hair types, smooth, radiant skin, thorough hair removal, and it's supposed to remove the hair in like roughly 5 minutes, fine hairs from my lip area. So we're gonna give this a try and see if this really works, because that's all I really want. I just want this hair right here to be gone. I hate having my full beat on and then I can still see the little hairs poking through like in the sunlight. It's like, why is this happening? So yeah, I don't really like to pluck them. It hurts. I don't like to pluck that. I don't shave it, so I just let it do what it do. So they're real fine though, but I can see them. You know how that is. So when something aggravates you, I'm all about handling your business. Fix it. If you don't like it, fix it. So that's what we're doing today with this Nair hair removal cream. This is my first time using this, so we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I've gone to the salon for laser treatment and I've even let them wax it when I'm getting my nails done, but I don't like the way it looks afterwards. Like when you let them wax it, it always appears swollen and red, and then I have what looks like a burn or maybe a rash from the wax, and I ain't got time for that kind of drama. And then it stings when you go to wash your face and put makeup on. Like, I don't have time for that. So my face is already washed and clean, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I better read the directions before I just start smearing this on my face. Okay, it says remove all makeup, check. My makeup is off my face. My face is clear and free from makeup. Squeeze cream onto fingertips, smooth on a thick, even layer to cover the hair. Do not rub it in. Do not rub in is in caps, bold print. Alright, so we're going to do this just as the instructions read, and it says leave the cream on for 5 minutes, then check a small area to see if the hair is removed. Total hair removal depends on the hair thickness. If the hair does not come off in 5 minutes, leave cream on for a few more minutes longer. Do not exceed 10 minutes. So we already know we can't go over 10 minutes with this. So yeah, and then gently wipe off the cream with a damp washcloth. Okay, sounds easy enough. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some out. That should be enough, because this area is small. What? It stinks. Smells real chemically, you know. Have you ever been in a beauty salon and they're doing like some kind of perm or something? That's what it smells like. Alright, I know I said I just wanted to do the sides. YOLO, we're gonna do the entire lip. This was like $5, less than $5, I believe. I don't know, I just bought it, I can't remember. $4 maybe, I think it was like $4. It was very inexpensive. Alright, now we wait. this, we're gonna wait. We're gonna give it 5 or 6 minutes, and then we're gonna wipe it off. Hopefully, it'll be smooth and clean. Just about 8 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and remove this and see what's popping under here. Hopefully all this hair is gone. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna use a makeup remover wipe. Girl, there's the hair. I know you're like, girl, you said it wasn't a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. Yes, bitch. It's a lot of hair, okay? It was a lot, and it's gone. Oh my God, it works. It works. This is a lot less stressful than having them rip your hair out your face at the nail salon. So take that $4 down to Walmart and get yourself some hair removal cream by Nair. I'm low-key mad at myself for not doing this before. Why didn't I try this before? And it's smooth. OMG. It's smooth. OMG, I'm so happy. It works. I wish this worked on legs like that. And I need a gallon of this stuff to do my legs. OMG. It worked. Oh guys, I am happy. I can't believe it. It's like literally smooth. Yeah, so I am thoroughly happy with this. Let me know what you think, and if you struggle with the same issue around. Look, I even look different. It looks so much different. Get this. This is what it looks like. It's like $4 at Walmart. This is it. Get this stuff. Try it out. But yes, guys, that is it for me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh. Shook. Shooketh.